Breach of contract lawsuits can be expensive endeavors with uncertain outcomes. Understanding how much these lawsuits are worth requires examining both the potential costs and the possible financial recovery. When considering a breach of contract lawsuit, you need to account for numerous expenses. In Los Angeles, California, for example, filing a complaint costs around $320. Each motion filed adds another $40. Depositions range from $1,000 to $2,000 per day. Document copying can exceed $200. Expert witnesses charge between $200 and $400 per hour. If you decide to appeal, that's another $700 in filing fees. These costs are just the beginning. When taking depositions, you might need to hire court reporters, videographers, or interpreters. For document discovery, you may need to hire bonded copy services. Expert witnesses, such as engineers, economists, human resource specialists, psychiatrists, or accident reconstruction experts, can quickly increase your expenses. The types of damages available in breach of contract cases significantly impact the potential value of your lawsuit. Compensatory damages reimburse you for actual losses directly caused by the breach. Consequential damages cover indirect losses, like missed business opportunities or lost profits. Liquidated damages are predetermined amounts specified in the contract itself. Courts may award nominal damages when a breach occurred but caused minimal harm. Punitive damages are rare in contract cases but might apply if the breach involved fraud or serious misconduct. Several factors affect how much your breach of contract lawsuit might cost or be worth. The jurisdiction matters because court fees and procedures vary by location. More complex disputes involving technical issues or multiple parties typically cost more to litigate. Cases with larger amounts in controversy generally require more resources. Longer cases cost more than those that settle quickly. Extensive discovery processes with document production and multiple depositions increase expenses. Using expert witnesses adds significant costs but may be necessary for technical matters. Attorney's fees represent a major expense in contract litigation. In California, under Section 1717 of the Civil Code, the winning party can sometimes recover these fees. However, this typically requires a contract provision, specifically allowing for fee recovery. Without such a provision, each party usually bears their own legal costs under what's called the American Rule. To estimate your case's value, start by calculating your actual financial losses from the breach. Assess the strength of your evidence, as better documentation improves your chances of recovery. Consider whether you took reasonable steps to minimize your damages, as failure to mitigate can reduce your award. Review your contract terms carefully, especially provisions related to damages or liability limitations. Developing a clear legal strategy with an experienced attorney can help clarify what you might reasonably expect to recover. Given the potential expenses of litigation, many parties explore alternatives to court. Mediation involves a neutral third party helping you negotiate a settlement. Arbitration is more formal, with a neutral arbitrator making a binding decision but typically costs less than court. Direct settlement negotiations between parties or through attorneys can resolve disputes without filing a lawsuit at all. The value of a breach of contract lawsuit depends on numerous variables specific to your situation. While some cases result in substantial damages awards, others may cost more to litigate than they're ultimately worth. Understanding the potential costs, available damages, and recovery options helps you make informed decisions about whether and how to pursue your claim. Consulting with an attorney who specializes in contract law can provide clarity about your specific circumstances and help you determine if legal action is financially worthwhile.